Welcome to Livvy and Dad's cooking show. We're gonna teach you, Mom, we're gonna teach you how to make hard-boiled eggs. So what you need is
trivet,
a towel, water in a cup, instant pot, and a bowl, and some eggs. First step, you put in the trivet. Then you pour the whole water into here.
Remember how much that is of water?
One
and a half
cups.
Perfect.
Next, you put eggs into the trivet. I want them like this.
So there's 9 spots in the trivet, but I came up with this. We can just stack that to get all 12 in it. And just put it in one of the holes, like one of the areas where there's no egg, and it'll rest on the ones that are there. Perfect.
The next step is you put the top on the instant.
Okay, let's see you do it.
And this part has to go facing that way.
Perfect. What if it doesn't go on right away, just like that? What should we do?
Twist it.
Twist it a little, right? Wiggle it. Keep twisting. Good. And then we have to seal it and lock it. So you're going to twist it again back this way. Perfect, Liv.
Just make sure that thing is sealing.
Not venting, or
Not
else
venting.
the air's coming through, right?
Yeah. The next step is you have to set the instant.
Okay, how do we do that? What do we have to push?
Pressure cook.
And how long are we putting it in for?
3 minutes.
Okay, but it says 9 minutes. What do we do?
We go down.
Okay. And then you just leave it? Okay. See you when it's done.
Bye. While the eggs are cooking, we'll put the cold water in the bowl.
Why do we do that?
So the eggs can go down.
Oh.
So I'll show you.
Okay. What are you doing?
I'm putting in ice
Why?
so the eggs will cool down.
Oh, it will help it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So Mom, be patient. And when it says 3 minutes, you can, when it's cooking, you can wait and watch some Hashik Sisters sound.
So she's doing it right now, even though it doesn't say 3 minutes yet? Okay. Yeah, so they call it Livvy and Dad's cooking show because Livvy can't finish it, so I do. Now that it's hit 3 minutes of natural release, you can turn it off. Hitting cancel here, that turns it off. Take a towel, put it on top of the valve so that we don't make a huge mess of steam. And then push pretty hard and twist it, and you can see the steam come out. Let it release all on its own. When the pressure stops releasing, you can open it. Then you're gonna start taking the eggs out to put them into the water.
Let them sit for 3 minutes and then take them out. 3 minutes up, you can put them on the towel.
Why do we put them on the towel?
So they can dry.
Oh yeah, because they're wet from the water?
Yeah.
Nice.
There you go, Mom. Now you can just peel them and eat.